Okay, so I'm not bombarding you throughout the course with the same words. During the course, I'm going to abbreviate the term leadership and management as L&M. And as you can see from the slide, I've provided you with a quote, and you'll get a few of these on the course. Leadership is about solving problems. The day soldiers stop bringing you their problems is the day you have stopped leading them. They have either lost confidence that you can help or concluded that you do not care. Either case is a failure of leadership. You need to understand from the outset that there is no single or widely accepted definition of leadership. However, for context, these institutions provide the following definitions. The CMI definition states that leaders create a vision of where the department and organisation are going, and they do so by communicating it clearly and often, demonstrating it through actions and by listening to their people. The ILM definition states that leadership involves a wide range of skills and behaviours and cannot be summed up in one word. In fact, the ILM have identified 49 components of leadership, and I'm obviously not going to state them all to you now because there's no point. The Sanders definition states that leadership is a blend of persuasion, compulsion, and example, a combination that makes an individual do what their commander wants of them, even when the task is not essentially to their liking. Further military reading has also taught me that more can be achieved by persuasion, encouragement, and example, the sum of which might be termed inspiration rather than compulsion. However, on occasions, compulsion is necessary, especially when soldiers are cold, tired, or frightened. Soldiers will instinctively obey a forceful command from a strong commander whose character, knowledge, and experience they have developed confidence in. As you can see from the slide, I've provided you with another quote. Management's job is to convey leadership's message in a compelling and inspiring way, not just in meetings, but also by example. Management is not the same as leadership. Management is primarily concerned with the organisation of things. And there are a number of definitions that can help validate that. The CMI definition states that the difference lies between the need for change and the need for stable rhythms and routines. The Indeed definition states that management is the process of planning and organising the resources and activities of a business to achieve specific goals in the most effective and efficient manner possible. And the Sanders definition states that management is the organisation and use of resources, including human resources. These definitions don't imply that the management of resources is not important or that management should be relegated to a subordinate role. A successful boss must develop and sustain an effective combination of L&M to meet the varied challenges that will be met in the course of any managerial career choice. Finally, during my career, I have seen my people management experience deal with the welfare, careers, and general well-being of my team members. Good people management skills are essential for operational effectiveness within any organisational context. And in my opinion, a person who is well managed will have more confidence in themselves, their abilities, but also in their manager. Furthermore, that person will be more inclined to follow you when times are hard. See you in the next section.